Everybody. Just wanted to come and make a video analyzing the market and what we saw today. Unfortunately, today I wasn't able to get any trades because I had to stay late at work. But I still wanted to send out a video just to show some analyzation of the market and what kind of I'll be looking for tomorrow, or if I get an opportunity during work, or what I look for on a daily basis. So Amazon had earnings. You can see. It didn't go too well. We got this crazy candle down, and obviously that was a previous buying area, so there's probably orders sitting here. That's why you had the nice bounce. You can see that they love this area. You can just put this here. They love this area, so came down here since January 17th, and then we came down here on the 24th. I mean the 27th. They bought it up, and then they came down here again today, February 6th, and bought it. That's why we got the big bounce here. And although after those orders went through, then you saw the continued selling right down. You had they beat EPS, they beat their sales, operating income beat, everything beat. And the only thing is AWS net sales, well, they lost on. That was good. This was good. So overall, it doesn't look too bad. I guess guidance was something that was a problem. But if we go, let me see here. I can bring this up. Like that. Let's bring this up. I want to show you what everybody was. I saw this today when I was coming to the close. I looked at this here, and you can see how bullish people were. Like, look at these orders. Look at this. Like, all these orders showing here, all the bullishness. So many orders long. So many orders long. So many calls. Go here. Look at that. All between, and so many above the ask. So people really bullish on Amazon earnings. And the market doesn't care whether it's good earnings or it's bad earnings. When somebody wants to take price down, they're going to take price down. And that's what they did today. But you can see how bullish they were. There was very little puts bought, but a lot of above the ask and bids. So that's that. We'll leave this up because I wanted to show an SPX chart after. So let's go back to this chart. So today we got a nice move up. So previously here, I wanted to show this here. This is a little consolidation that we had on the 5th, which was on Wednesday. We consolidated here, and then we finally got the move up. So this consolidation area is really important because when we come back and we look at the larger time frame, let's go to the 1 hour. You can see it on the 4. No, you can't see it on the 4. We see it on the 1 hour much better. So you can see that that is a nice consolidation, and it came, they bought it up. Now today we had the open, which was here, came down, and this was ping pong, literally top to bottom. Couldn't figure it out. This is the top, and then this was the bottom, and they just ping pong back and forth. And it was only until we got this candle, this selling candle here on both, on NASDAQ and on SPY. So let's see. Oh, the open is over here. Here, you got here. You had this, and you had this. So literally ping pong within a range. And it was only after we got this candle. You can guess where it came back to. It came back to the same consolidation area. So this same consolidation area here, where we touched at 7, you're going to touch at 2 o'clock. And after that, you can see that it was absolutely gone. And if we I'm going to bring up the volume. I'm going to show you what the volume was. Look at that. All day, volume was crap, 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 low, 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 low. Big selling, and volume picked up. Volume picked up here, and then we just got a whole bunch of buying all the way into the close, pretty much into the close. We had that. We had this big candle because of Amazon earnings, but massive move. So this was 21.713 on the futures, all the way to 21.881. Absolutely monstrous move. Like it was straight buying from 235. Well, no, this is probably the candle from 305 all the way to the close. Not one red candle on the 5 minute. I think on the 2 minute chart you maybe had one, two, a couple red candles, but the buying was so aggressive. And if you didn't catch, because this it was up, retest, and gone. And like I said, this is what I always look for. I always look for these areas that get revisited. Because usually consolidation that always gets revisited gets bought up. And you can see because this was revisited on the NASDAQ one, two times, and then this was the original that created all that momentum of buyers. That's why we got that move up. And the same thing on SPY. We'll come here, move this down. And the same thing on SPY. We have the same kind of thing. Let me get rid of VWAP because it looks disgusting. We got this here. Again, we can probably come from right here. This was the consolidation that we saw. And you can see, as soon as it came down, it got bought up. We only got one touch on SPY. One touch, and it gave this move all the way up. And this was a nice, nice move. And this one did the same thing on the 2 minute chart. You can see, but this was a little bit better. Came up, retest this area, and it was gone. All you have to do is either get your order here, put a stop down here, and you're good. Basically, it protected your move, and you got to move all the way up to this high. You could have targeted this high right here and got yourself out, or you could have just waited. But that's what I always look for. I always look for an area to get supported. Um, this looks very bearish coming down, but if you were to have the futures chart up, you would have been able to see this consolidation here. And even on the SPY chart, you could see that consolidation here because that was a consolidation that we had. Where is it? Right there. Same exact consolidation. You can see it right there. And that's where we touched and triggered. Right there. Same thing on QQQ. Same consolidation. We found that here. And you can see in pre-market how many times we touched it. So pre-market, that's when we got that touch, and that's what we saw more clear on the futures. That's the only reason why I like the futures chart so much. The futures gives you a little bit of a clearer vision of the traders overnight because those overnight areas usually get supported. And if you don't see it, if you don't look at it in a bigger picture like the 1 hour or in the 4 hour, you won't catch it most of the time. But I just wanted to go over that, and I wanted to show you actually the XPX slot machine. Usually SPX, you get absolutely monstrous moves, and today was nothing short of a monstrous move. So starting of that move, remember I said 305. So 305, these were $75, right? 75 cents because these are options times by 100. So $75. These contracts went to $14. Absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. I was just upset I couldn't get this. I was driving home and I saw the dump, but I couldn't really see the option pricing and kind of see when I have my both screens set up, I'm able to see everything, but this really I can't do it on my phone. It's like a gamble if I do it on my phone. So this was absolutely perfect. Banger move. And again, if you got this one 170 all the way up to what is this 19. I think this is probably the best value. Maybe this was probably the best value. 30 cents all the way up to 980. Oh my gosh. Imagine you had 10 contracts. $300. That could have been gone to what? I can't even do the math right now. It would have been nuts. But yeah, this is the SPX. Like if you can catch any one of these moves, you see how much you can get on SPX 0DTE. But yeah, that's me going over that. Hopefully tomorrow I can catch something. I'll be looking for. I don't know what they're gonna do tomorrow because they're still very bullish. You can see overnight they've brought price up, and we're testing the high. I'm almost certain we'll probably retest back to here, um, or we'll come back down to here and retest. But we'll see what they do in the overnight session. Um, but I'm pretty sure one of these two areas will be the demand next support area that they'll retest and then they'll buy it back up. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you had a great day and thank you. Bye bye.